Hey guys, I'm Rohit Raj and you're watching Rho Trades live YouTube channel. Now, this video is going to be an important one because I'm going to be talking about my Telegram channel as well as I'm going to be analyzing the price action. So we're going to be analyzing the price action of today as well as the Telegram messages that I did with time, and at that particular time where was the price. So that's what we're going to be analyzing today. So why to analyze this is, and moreover why I do this Telegram community or Telegram channel updates are just to save beginners from losing a lot of money. So there's a saying that 90% of the people lose 90% of their capital in 90 days of trading. So I just want to make that 90% to at least 85%. So if I contribute that 5% to the trading community, I'll be so happy. So the problem here is a lot of beginners, they come into the market to make money rather than trading with passion or interest. That doesn't matter. They come to trade for money. So okay, they come to trade for money, they can gamble to make another 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees. They are thinking about making how much money today, that's enough for me. So they're thinking about making 1,000, 2,000. But in the losing side, nobody thinks in the negative side, right? So if you're coming to the market to make 1,000 rupees, if you lose 1,000, if you're willing to accept the loss and exit, that's well and good. You can gamble as long as you can. That's how it will take like 90 losing trades to lose your 90% of the capital, right? So, but the problem here is when people don't actually cut the losses when they are in the wrong side. That's where the real problem lies, because the capital may vanish like 10%, 5% every single day. Every single morning at 9:20, I get a view of the market, whether it is buy or sell or sideways. I'll study the market structure, and also in Monday at first 1 hour candle close at 10:15, we get a market perspective for the whole week. So based on this perspective, this helps myself first to stay with the discipline, because I give a word to you about the market is being short. So I don't go long at all. I'll be short in the market at that point of time. That's why I give the update to you also. So it helps all of us to maintain a disciplined type of trading. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So I just want to say, even you can analyze the same way that I can do, and that's what I do in my online closes, which is one-on-one. So if you're willing to join, you can always click into my website as well as DM me in my WhatsApp as well. So we'll connect, and you can join the course and you can start analyzing yourself and trade yourself. Hey guys, so now we are in the screen and you can see this is the price action of today. And first of all, let's get into the Telegram channel right now. Today morning, as every time, I just started with the promotion of my first 19 rupees workshop. This workshop is going to be about what is there in the year-in-one course, the 4,999 or 8,999 course. So introduction to the course is what we are doing in this workshop, and this workshop is on July 16th on Saturday, and the time is 11 a.m. So if you wish to join and know about what is going to be in the real Rho Trades Ultimate Strategy course as well as the year-in-one course, so you can just click this link and join in the Google meeting on Saturday. So coming to today's market, okay. In the very morning, market started with a green candle, and of course many texted me about this is a green candle above CPR, it's going to be go buying, and I just said hold on. First 3 candles I just saw, and buying only after 35,400. Right now sell with strict stop loss of 35,400. So what does it mean? It means that only after 35,400 the market is going to go for buying, unless it crosses a breakout in 5 minutes. It's not going to go for buying trend right now, because the 2050 crossover is in sell. The market price action is almost below the 200 MA, and also we have a bearish sentiment in the global cues. So this all gives me a clear view about the market is going to go down today. So right now I even personally texted some of my students about first 1 hour the market may come to CPR first, and if it breaks the CPR, the target is exactly 34,932 is what my target was. And in Telegram group I said let's come step by step, okay. So first, after 1 hour day high will be SL. That's what I told. This is because the market opened higher and it took the resistance straight away. You see, this is the resistance. It took the resistance straight away and it did not break out. Even only the wicks are gone up. Okay. So also we have the sell signal in the 5 minutes time frame in moving average crossover. So everything indicates sell, right? So what will happen? The market will attract towards the CPR, and that happened in the first 1 hour. So after first 1 hour, what I told is, if you are taken an entry right here, after first 1 hour, the day high itself is the stop loss. So after the whole 1 hour of decay, now you can have your stop loss at cost to cost, so that you don't make loss. And that's what I told. Shift stop loss, cost to cost, and make no loss. And that's what I told. And this is the exact steps and exact way of how I trade myself. Okay, so it's not just I'm just bluffing and telling. You can also see there's my yeah, I'll show you. So this is my, yeah, this is the position that took. You can see the CE. So I sold 35,300 and 35,000 CE and 35,500 CE. Also I sold, and in the small reversal I captured 35 PE as well. So this is how I trade. So however I trade, I just put it in a live Telegram channel, and that's it. So after 1 hour, the day high will be a sell. After 1 hour, the day high did not take. That means our strategy is automatically worked. So if you're risking you're just risking the profit with no loss to take. Okay. So after that, I gave you a very clear signal about the market was in a range for some time. So we know that after 12:15 or 1:15, there is going to be a major breakout. So 12:15 was a crucial time because the market was in a range for a very long time at that point. So I said click sell button at 12:15 p.m. with strict stop loss of 35,150, which means 12:15 p.m. is somewhere here. So why 12:15 p.m. is? It's a crucial time. The markets in Europe is going to be open, and there's a long range here, and the market is rejected in this 20 MA, and this is the best point to enter in a pullback. So I told you to enter here, and I gave them the profit of this green line, which is a pivot point, as well as this pivot point can be considered as a some days high, which is a gap. Actually, that gap needs to be filled. So my idea was, in price action, this gap needs to be filled. So if this needs to be filled, this can be a very good target. So I gave them the target of short target can be 34,940 was a very good target. So which is almost like a 150 to 170 points of profit from the spot price where we traded at 12:15. Considering the spot price at the open, it's almost like a 300 points fall, which is a huge profit actually. And I updated in half an hour, it was 70 points down after 12:15, which is almost like you could have made 1% profit out of it. So, and there was a breakout, and this target, you should have an eye on the target, and the perfect target got hit. And you know what, even you can do the same exact analysis, and that's what I want to say. So for that, you need to follow me on my website and Instagram as well, and join the Rho Trades Ultimate Strategies course, where you will have a 1 hour of live one-on-one sessions with me, where we'll be discussing about the exact strategies, what I do, what I use to make profits in this market, and how I used to trade with my mindset and psychologies and all the stuff. Mainly you will start to cut your losses. Your losing trades will be less. That's the main idea behind the strategy, and this is the whole idea based on which the strategy is designed itself. So yeah, by joining this live course, you can analyze in the same way that I do, and you can trade in the same way. Because how much more time that you're going to be dependent on myself, waiting for me to say buy, sell, or sideways, iron condor, triangle for every single day don't be working. So if you pay this like 5,000 or 9,000, whatever course you wish to take, if you pay this, sit with me in one-on-one session, get my mind of knowledge into yours, and for the rest of the life, you're going to follow it to make money consistently in the market. And even our strategy is risk-defined strategy, so that you don't lose much. And also, if there is a big crash or a big boom in the market, also you will be in the right spot at the right time. It's what I'm going to say about this strategy. And if you want to learn about how the strategy will help, you can first join my workshop on this Saturday, and then you can take up the course, which is one-on-one live session. So this is the target which I gave, and market, you can see there is no looking back. The market was just stayed down, following my CPR strategy, moving average strategies, RSIs, every single strategies were working right now, because it was working because I believed it, and I executed the trades thinking it will work, and always believe in the technical analysis. So that's it guys, the market just came down, hit the first target, and that is my target, and after that I did not trade, to be honest. I did not follow the exact trend after that. So this is the target, and I closed my profits and had a very good profits at that point of time, and then market still further came down another 120 points, and it's kind of in the same place. The market did not close yet, it's kind of in the same place, and it's going to be closing bearish. So yeah, so hope, let's see how the market goes tomorrow. There's a lot of bad news, I guess, because of the consumer price index, inflation data and stuff like that in US. It's anyway, the technical is going to be work. Don't worry about the fundamentals. So that's what I want to say. So yeah, yes guys, so I hope you understand what we did in the Telegram group as well as what happened in the price action, and it was exactly the same, and we knew it before. So always, of course, you need to know that this target is going to be hit before it does. That's when you can actually take a trade before, right? So when you take a trade and it will hit a target, and that's when you make a profit. So after hitting a target, if you think your analysis is good, it's not going to be worth anymore. So you need to know what is going to be happen earlier, not more earlier, like 10-15 minutes earlier is also enough. Even a 10 minutes fall right now is almost like a 50 points fall. In futures you would have made like 1,250 per lot. In option buying you would have made like a fortune today, but I don't do that. But in option selling you could have made almost like 1%, 1.5% today. So this is how you need to analyze the market and trade it. So that's what I want to say. So you can analyze yourself and don't depend on me. I don't want you to depend on me. This amount what you're going to be pay for the course is going to be for your rest of the life, and I just want to erase every single strategy that's out there in your mind, because there's thousands of strategies available in trading. We have thousands of strategies as well where it will automatically give you buy sell signals, but erase everything. This is a practical kind of trading. The indicators, the price action combination that I use, where the losses will be minimum. So 4 things are there: small losses, big losses, small profit, big profit. So in all these 3 can be there in your trading career. This big loss must be avoided. So big loss should always be avoided. That's where your capital will get blow. So when you make small losses, you can recover it with small profits, and also when you make big profits, you can actually use it as your earning for your living. And when you make big losses, you lose more than the big profits, and that's where the real matter is there. The game of trading is cutting losses, guys. It's not about making profits at all. The cutting losses is the game of trading. So that's what I want to say. So if you like this video, please consider liking and comment on the videos. I want to reach almost like 1,000 subscribers at least by the end of the year. No targets, but I need 1,000 subscribers, as well as I need likes and comments for the algorithm to boost my videos to more retail people like me. And also it will be helpful, I guess. Sure that you subscribe to the Telegram channel first of all, and that's why we are making this video. Make sure you subscribe to the Telegram channel and try to make some money. After making some money, try to catch up with me for the course, learn it, make your own trades, have a successful share market journey from there. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.